Starting and QA checking a packaging run in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to start a canning, bottling, or kegging run, log your real counts and a QA check, and post finished goods to inventory at what you actually packaged. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Packaging from your dashboard. This is where you run canning, bottling, or kegging. Batches that have cleared QC show up here as ready to package, and the QA readiness queue flags any run still missing a check, a line, or a lot. Click a batch, then New Run, and pick your package type, can, bottle, or keg, and the SKU you're filling into. Enter your run details, line, start time, and target count. As the run goes, log your actual count filled and any rejects or spoilage. Those numbers matter for your yield and for your finished goods inventory being accurate. Partway through or at the end, log a QA check, fill level, seam, or seal check, carbonation if it applies. When the run's complete, click Finish Run, and finished goods land in inventory at the count you actually packaged, not the target. So your stock numbers reflect reality.